Hello, this is John of Art at Camp John Hay. Let's do horseback riding, and this is my horse. How you doing? All right. How about you, Ken? All right. Woo! My horses.
Tanggalin natin to. Kontrolin mo
Hello,
siya, ma'am.
horse.
Ang kamelan dito.
I know. Of course. Okay, we're getting instructions.
This is for the right side. This is
Right
for the left
side,
side.
left side.
To make it stop, you just pull it back.
Stop,
Make it
pull
walk.
back.
Just kick just for now. Yeah.
Kick for what?
Yeah. Pull to make it walk.
Attaboy, Snow Bear. Whoops. Oh. Hi, Ken. Oh, vlogging away. Resting for a while here because we are going on a steep ascent and it's going to be 75 degrees uphill. Spot where we take photos of each other because it's gonna be a challenging climb up there. It's very comfortable riding a horse. Look at that. Look at the form. And Ken is a professional. Look at the way he rides his horse. Yee! Gallop away! Hannah and her horse, his name is Maximus. He's a Philippine native horse. This horse is a Philippine purebred. His name is Snow Bear, born and bred here in the Philippines with a rather foreign name. Right, Snow Bear. Ken's horse is Double Black. That's his name. He's a mestizo, mixed. Ano pong lahi ni Double Black? Oh, 3/4 Arabian horse and 1/4 Filipino horse. Ah, hindi. Toro? What do you mean toro? Ah, thoroughbred. So, mestizo pa rin. Imported pa rin. Arabo pala siya. Ang ganda niya. Hour of a pee. Pee. Red horse beer. I had to pee, and they told me to pee. Pee just behind the tree. And then, I peed here. The cowboy way. Kaliwa na naman siya. That's it for our horseback riding activity for today. Look at the horses here. There's just a lot of them welcoming us back. This is Joan of Art, and until our next adventure, like, share, and subscribe, and bye-bye for now.